morning. Welcome to your morning sequence. We're gonna get started in mountain pose. So you wanna have your fingers pointing towards the ground, palms facing forward, shoulders down, and the crown of your head high up, reaching towards the sky. And then just take a couple of deep breaths through your nose all the way into your belly. And exhale. And when you feel you've centered enough and you're really present in your body, then you can start your practice. We're going to start with cat-cow. So you come onto all fours. Your knees are under your hips, your wrists are under your shoulders, and with an inhale, let your belly sink down and reach your heart forward. With the exhale, round your spine towards the sky. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One last round. And with your next inhale, you come back to a neutral spine. From here, you tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back into what we call downward facing dog. So you see my heels are not quite on the ground, but they're reaching towards the ground. My shoulders are still far away from the ears. Spread your fingers really wide and try to relax the front of your body so you can open up the shoulders a bit more. With your next inhale, bend your knees a lot and look forward. And with your exhale, walk forward into a forward fold. From here, inhale, come halfway up, hands on your shins. Exhale, fold back down. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, arms reach high. Exhale, lower your hands to your heart. We're now going to do a sun salute. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come halfway up, heart reaches forward. Exhale, fold back down. Step your right leg back into a lunge. Inhale here, your arms up. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, step your right leg back, come into plank pose. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, scoot your heart forward and pull your elbows back towards your hips. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come onto your knees and then back up into downward facing dog. Inhale here, lift the knee off the mat and step it forward. This time it's the other foot forward. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, place your hands back down, fold forward. Inhale, come halfway up, heart reaches forward. Exhale, fold back down. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, arms reach tall. Exhale, hands to your heart. So that's one round of sun salutes, and we're going to do a couple of those. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, fold back down, step one leg back. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, fold down. Step the foot back. Lower down. Inhale, scoot forward. Exhale, come down. Inhale, onto your knees. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the leg, put the foot forward. Exhale here. Inhale, step it forward, exhale, inhale, halfway up, exhale, fold, inhale, all the way up, exhale, hands to heart, inhale, arms up, exhale, fold, inhale, halfway up, exhale, right leg back, inhale here, exhale, left leg back, and lower down. Inhale, scoot forward. Exhale, come down. Inhale, on the knees. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale all the way. Exhale, lower hands. If you wish, you can pause here and do a few more rounds. But we're going to move on into a pose called Malasana. So you're going to heel toe your feet apart. And then you sink down in between your knees as far as you can. Maybe you hold it up here, maybe you come further down. If your knees come off the ground, that's okay. And you can use your elbows to keep your knees apart. And then stay here and breathe really deep into your belly. After you've been here for about 10 breaths, you can either carry on with another sequence and do some seated poses, or you can just call this your complete practice. Come back up, have your toes point forward, bring your hands together, and listen inside for another few breaths. Feel the energy through your body. And thank yourself for showing up for your practice this morning. Namaste.